Where you come from?
Denver, Colorado.
Colorado.
See, right in the middle of the United States.
Wonderful.
So, United States, right here, Rocky Mountains. See.
Wonderful.
It's beautiful.
Last year I went to New York,
Hey,
Boston, and then I take
Cruise.
a cruise,
hey.
and I went to Montreal, Toronto. Come si chiama il
Quebec, Montreal.
Oh, see, Montreal, Canada. See, is that beautiful? Que bello.
Wonderful,
See.
beautiful.
And from Boston up to Quebec, to Montreal.
Yes,
See.
by cruise.
Oh.
Cruise ship.
See,
Cruise ship.
see, it's beautiful. The whole East Coast, que bello.
Sì.
Boston, New York. I was in New York. What was last week? Come si dice? Settimana.
Ero a New York la settimana scorsa.
And
In Milan. Qui.
what do you do in the life, work?
YouTube
Ah,
shows,
oh.
like TV shows
Okay.
on YouTube.